re tlo kena ka vosho, re bue ka vosho, re ba kene ka vosho, re tswa ka vosho. Thank you. So let's watch this video, chat. Yeah, ke for ring chat.
So guys, I posted on my Instagram like a poll bana Q&A, so like basically
Video to my guy, man. Hey.
Question: how long have y'all been together? Like we were together for like 1 year and 1 month.
Do you ever get tired of Peanut's pranks? Of course I do.
She does get tired, ne? Mara, umuva sisima man ngwano. Ngwano umuva sisima nyana man. Ooh.
Guys,
It's actually boring and annoying.
do you still love her? Yeah. So okay guys, question itibana is Akanya your first priority or is my content my first priority? Oh guys, honestly, my first priority is my work.
Understandable. Happy understandable. Okay, so the first priority ya hao ke mosadi. Mos benti. E leng hore ka tsamaya. Ya lo nyaka le gotsumela le lengwe hape ya boya. Wa re ke first priority. Ene le nna ba bangwe di shimane. Alana le bo papa, mara first priority ke mosadi. Ai. First priority is a job. Ke chelete. Chase money, then bona bao. Man.
Like umdu like obaleke like yeah.
Do you have any celebrity crushes?
Yeah. Do you?
No.
Yeah, I do, but I don't.
Do you want to break up with Peanuts? If no, why?
So like, do you want to break up?
No.
Ndani na lo le ka segwanyana ngere. Wa bana. Tokomane.
Reason is because
it's because you too attached to Peanuts, or it's because you are so obsessed to Peanuts. Like, why do you want to stay here?
don't get ahead.
After all,
Don't get ahead.
Chat. Ke nyoko tseba ntho iwana. Ntone e cream manye bana. No like serious, ntone e cream ma. Cause if ntone e over grade 10, me e bo ma grade 11, 12 ka segwase school fees e ba tsedi ba spatelang ke se sefeng bana. Awa, e ke bantu education. Mfano ana di braces. O tsamaya ka di iPhone ke a tokomane. Tokomane e tsamaya ka iPhone. Bantu education so go se kae. Maybe mzalo o lebeletse se le ora ska potli. Wabo a changora ching se tlokoti. Wabo hana taba ka sego okay, ai ke am understand. Mfano bana awa batswadi ya ba consent. Awa.
next question.
Have you ever cheated on her?
Ha! The question that we have been waiting for. And o kweto komane e tlo reng. Le kweng tokomane e re tlo reng. Le kweng tokomane.
Nah.
Le melewe. Hey. Ke fueng.
Have you ever cheated on her?
Hey. Lona la settle. La khona. La khona. Are quick em.
Nah,
I feel like we all know the answer though.
How did Akanya first react when she saw that test with Utang?
I was just
Okay, Emma. Are menya. Emma ke switch ka Emma nya. Se ngwanyana se a tlo se bolelang ne. Stlo that him ina hore. Ngwano ke na khwida ka relationship ka ba ke mang. Cause ka se movie se na khwida. O ka se tsamaye se na khwida. Ibana 2025 itletse ka mehlolo banna. A re kweng.
surprised and then
No, like you weren't surprised, because I told you, Bana, you are Kanya. Damn shit. I was serious, and the video will be out tomorrow. Guess what
No.
she did? Guess what she did? Or like after I told her this name, and then like I was like, okay, I'm going to call you back when I'm back home, and she said, okay, book. We called at the same time, and I was like,
Obvious.
Kanya.
Hey, man.
She was so rude. And guys, when the video came out, because like I didn't tell her that I kissed like
And her cheek.
guys. So like after the
And you
video,
didn't tell me that you felt safe around.
so guys,
Awa. Tokomane e hlaba ka ntho engwe le ngore a ke tsile. Bana o ya nokeng. Oh, awa. Tokomane ya hla awa. Ke chelete. Hwetsa chelete. That's like a botse get a chase money. Then they'll be chase all for. One more or oh, she doesn't have self-respect. No self-worth. She's moving like Naquida. I guess you have to have money to have an Aquida on your side. I think some of us we have to have an Aquida.
2 hours of the video being published, I called her. Calling, I text her 1 gig, only to find out this girl blocked me, guys.
Yeah. She should.
This girl blocked me.
She should. Unanyaka o radiring. One tlamela eba now. It's
And like, there's nothing deep that happened on that video.
Bruce. Nothing deep happened on that video. Nothing deep happened in Z. Labo namar. Girls. Labo namar. This is the type of men you choose for your future. Or oh ki papa bana ba hao. Anger. Okay. Akahane, this is young love. Maybe it's not meant or it lasts forever. Mara waban. Waban. Legacy chief tigamhu. Bon. Bonas fatlosi. Bonas fatlosi. You can see a lot is going on. Karas pungosi. Sa 5 liter. Wabon or is shit. And it's all over social media. Yeah. The friends are watching or shit. Tandi mali. Show me I tandi mali.
Right?
The question was for me, not for you. And so you're not letting me answer right now. Like, oh, go log.
Woo! I mo abonore shit. Kono kshaya manti. Abona mo. Akitse gore ba pusha for this year ba nyako fetsa or go direla mara ntho e direlang mone. Ena e re ke bole video.
So, however, I was surprised by his actions, okay? Because I trusted this person and I thought, like, and I was just not expecting him to just like act like that. But yeah, and I was disappointed and embarrassed. Yeah, that's how I felt. Are you guys going to get married?
Are you guys going to get married?
We can't predict the future, honey. I don't know. Because his actions is just there.
Hey.
And I'm scared though.
Hey. Aye lo fail. Abashimani. Kenang lightning. Nagela putsa go njalo. Kenang lightning. You see, if you want to have some over the 80. Kenang lightning. Kero botsa. Utlo ke. Stena ga 1, stena ga 2, utlo ke. And here, she's clearly showing ukuthi any guy who's willing to treat her like a wife. Uzonge. Tloshang tokomane etsileng tokomane ka se le thibele emana ntwe ke tsebo re ntwe ya bolela chat. Obana ntwe a ya bolela. Ya rasa. So na ke le botsa chat ke nang lining, le fetso ke na lining. Dira se se diragalang ka vosho chat ke nang ka vosho. Hi.
When he has to like go for university, I'm just like, I don't know what's gonna happen.
Never see it. Never see
That's
it.
so cringe.
Eh?
But anyway,
Okay, let me answer the bra. I'm kind of like it. Before I answer this question, like
I'm fano skhwa sa gana chat. I'm fine with Wasagana shit. Woman.
Can I ask? So like, how many cows do I need to offer?
Okay, I don't know, it depends on my farm, man. And that's
Like how many cows
I don't
do you
know.
think?
I don't know.
But I can get 10 cows if that's the case. I don't mind. But yeah, guys, I really want to marry Akanya. I really want to marry her. And guys, like, even if, let's say, I must, even if, let's
O bolela ka lenyalo mara sa goa se a gana se re tili se a gana se re whipi se goa sa gana mara yo ye ikausi inkomo ke tokomane ya ye sekolong ke tlogele ngwano o nyaka makotsomela sefuba sa ndota seng President ba reng ke tokoma tokomane ba
say I must marry her tomorrow, it's fine. I can do that, guys. Because this girl doesn't know how much I really love her. Do you know that? Oh, you do? Oh.
Chat na ke le botsa le ka ke anyone can enter this temple le ka ke na chat na ke le botsa chat na le ka ke na mo ka vosho ka tho o ka ke na ke nang chat zamang stena instina out in chang tokomani ka TV ke tokomani doni guys khopela le fetching into ire ra galammo ne fetchang to ire galammo this is Bruce and Nakwita. Hi man.
Yeah, guys, I really want to marry my girl for my life.
That's
But
it's
then
not
like,
sure.
Agafunya.
Would you date Tando? Would you date Tando?
Hey,
Would you date Tando?
Jojo, Chetty. Wow. Chet, this hand has no self-respect, has no self-worth. La mona mar. This is Nakwida 2.0. Umuva se Nakwida. Dwane ki Bruce. Tokomani ki Bruce. Hey, banna tlhokomelang guys. Na ke a le botsa, permission is granted. Stena ba nyaka go kena ka Stena kenang mola. Save her from her misery. Cause awa ye reala mone ke young love.
Okay.
Or she was the first to go.
Akudala ngezinto eyi-one.
If I was single, but now I'm looking for like, nah.
Chet, if I was single, Chet, you get 3 questions. La tseba le lena. You get 3 questions. This hand has no self-respect. Chet, Nakwida 2.0. No self-respect. Marai. Ke di mfazi tsa lena tse le dinyakang.
How's your relationship going? It's going good. I mean, like,
Chet, na ke tlo
I like it, guys.
Na ke tlo tja mo. Na ba mpora batho ba. Na ngwanyana wa mpora, ngwanyana ana self-respect bana. Tsana le re ke lo bogela Bruce le Nakwida ba banyane, a younger version of them. Ke eng yona e diragalang mo?
Like,
Na ke a tswa mo. Fuck. Dislike. Peanuts. Re tlo kena ka vosho, re boe ka vosho, re ba kene ka vosho, re tswa ka vosho. Thank you.